Worksheet 2.1. This is the worksheet that I had shared in the previous video. First question was addition of these two numbers. We will start from the extreme right. 9 plus 9, 18. 1 will be the carry and we will write 8 in the ones column. Then 1 plus 3, that is 4, plus 1 of carry will be 5. We will write 5 in the tens column. Followed by 8 plus 2, 10, 1 carry over and 0 at the bottom. Then 6 plus 8, 14, plus 1, 15. Again 1 carry and 5 at the bottom. Now 5 plus 7, 12, plus 1, 13, 1 carry and 3 at the bottom. Now 4 plus 3, 7, plus 1, 8. That gives us the answer 835058. Question number 2. Here I'll just show you the answer. We are starting from the right. We are calculating. First we write the carryover digit, then we write the digit at the bottom. The answer to this is 1017174. Question 3. Again from the extreme right, 7 plus 8, 15, 1 at the top and 5 at the bottom. 7 plus 2, 9, plus 1, 10, 1 at the top. 8 plus 4, 12, 1 at the top, 2 at the bottom and 0 at the bottom. 3 plus 7, 10 plus 1, 11, 1 at the top, 1 at the bottom. 6 plus 2, 8, plus 1, 9. 4 plus 2, 6, plus 1, 7. This gives us the answer 729105. Question 4. Now the same pattern. I'll quickly show you the answer with the carryovers. The answer is 1545670. Question 5. Here again, look at the answer. I have also entered the carryover for you so that you can check your carryovers also. The answer is 8870703. Question number 6. Here we have 3 numbers. And again we will start adding. Let us do this together. 8 plus 9, 17 plus 1, 18. So 1 at the top of the next column, 8 at the bottom. 6, 6, 12 plus 5, 17, 17 plus 1, 18. 1 at the top and 8 at the bottom. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1 of the carry, 8. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 1 carry and 3 at the bottom. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1 of the carry, 7. 2 plus 8, 10 plus 1, 11. 1 at the top, 1 at the bottom. Then 5 plus 1, since there is no other number, we will just add 5 and the carry and we get 6. So the answer is 6173888. Question number 7. Here again we have 3 digits. Have a look at the answer. The answer to this question is 108,67950. Question 8. Again, quickly look at the answer. Question number 9. Find the sum of the following. Now 3 numbers were given to us. I have directly written the calculation, but more than the calculation, what is important here is how you write the numbers one below the other. Have a nice look. We have started from right. All the 3 numbers are right aligned. Right aligned मतलब आप लिखना right से शुरू करते हो और एक के नीचे एक digits right में होना ज़रूरी है. जो भी blank space है हम वो left में खाली छोड़ेंगे. That means the last digit of each number is one below the other. आपका जो ones column का digit है तीनों नंबर में, पहले नंबर में 6, दूसरे नंबर में 3 और तीसरे नंबर में 5, ये तीनों एक के नीचे एक आने चाहिए. और ये तभी होगा जब आप नंबर राइट से लिखना शुरू करेंगे और लेफ्ट की तरफ जाएंगे. तो ये लिखने के तरीके पे आपने अगर ध्यान दे लिया तो कैलकुलेशन तो आपको आती ही है, आपका आंसर सही आना चाहिए. The answer to this question is 8348764. Question number 10. A similar question with 4 numbers. So here again I have given the answer straight away. And I want you to look at the pattern of writing these numbers. They are all right aligned. Look at the last digit of each number. One's place is one below the other. That is how you will write. Answer that you will get is 7579674. ये क्वेश्चन कई बच्चों का गलत हो सकता है और उसका मेन रीजन है आपने क्वेश्चन को ढंग से नहीं लिखा. ये गलती नहीं करना है बच्चों. बी केयरफुल एंड राइट द नंबर्स प्रॉपरली, बिकॉज यही गलती कर गए तो आंसर कभी सही नहीं आएगा. टुडे वी विल डू वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स. I am sharing a worksheet with you. I will solve the first question for you. Question number 1. A factory has 3569526 red colored balls and 3569547 blue colored balls. How many balls does the factory have in total? So for this, first we will write number of red balls and we'll write the number. Then we'll write number of blue balls. Next, how many balls does the factory have in total? So we have to find out the total number of balls. We will write total number of balls. अब इसमें आप क्या करोगे, प्लस या माइनस? अब आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि इसमें प्लस करना है या माइनस? इसके लिए एक छोटी सी ट्रिक, आप इनको छोटे नंबर्स के साथ सोचिए. आपके पास 2 रेड बॉल्स हैं और 3 ब्लू बॉल्स हैं. तो टोटल कितनी बॉल्स हुई आपके पास? आपके पास 5 बॉल्स हुई. तो अब आप इस 5 पर कैसे पहुंचे? आपने क्या किया, ऐड किया कि सब्ट्रैक्ट किया? आपने ऐड किया था. सो इस क्वेश्चन में टू फाइंड आउट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ बॉल्स यू विल ऐड. टोटल नंबर ऑफ बॉल्स इज इक्वल टू 3569526 प्लस 3569547. नाउ you will add like this, you will get the answer. Now this addition, you could do it in the rough column, but the rough column should be visible to the teacher. You could do it here only. Question 2. A factory produces 5643789 black bicycles in 1 year. In the same year, it produces 4952368 red bicycles. How many cycles did the factory produce that year? I will help you with the statements. The first statement will be number of black bicycles. The second statement will be number of red bicycles, total number of bicycles. And here you will add again. Question 3. A city has 325634 men, 3254209 women and 111863 children. What is the total population of the city? Here again the statements will be number of men, number of women, number of children, and last statement will be total population. Question 4. Number of persons who visited Dehradun in the year 2018 and 2019 was 256,751 and 408,8942 respectively. How many persons visited Dehradun in these years? Now this one I'll let you do it yourself. I wish you luck with the worksheet, and until we meet again, stay safe, stay happy.